Cross them up, all these street these bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn her up, turn these streets can't cross them. Cross them up, all these street these bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn her up, turn these streets can't cross them. Cross them up, all these street these bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn her up, turn your click up, dog. He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keep it in street. We keep it in street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' fit. How much it costs? It never.
You ready to go today? Hell yeah! Paris asked me on the final date, and I couldn't be more excited, man. Just hype right
This
now.
nigga is so
I feel like our relationship is getting better and better every single day.
We all got final.
man. What's your issue? The nosiest dog I've ever met in my life.
I get it right back. She put it all on me. I couldn't.
I almost just busted my ass. And he almost let me. That's crazy, right?
Left, right, control it. You know who the part of your honey. Ride on it, green light me. But I know that you can. Walking up your plans when you're about to get messy.
Hey, my mama said, fuck it, nigga, hit the streets and live. Got some crack in the corner and I did what I did. The neighbors, they don't like me, I got J's at the door. Told my grandma I don't need a bed, I'm sleeping on the floor. Got my tool in my flow, they're my two main hoes. Me and all my walls stick together like the Zoes. Stop by, say who got the yay for the low. And I keep birds with me, like I'm straight out Holly Grove.
So I ordered Red some of these toys on Amazon like 3 hours ago, and it's already here. Are you excited for the unboxing? Sit. Boy, you heard me. Exactly. I know you did not just burger my face. So I got this on Amazon for $18.99. I'll pop a screenshot up there so you can see. And same day shipping, girl. It came in 3 hours. I said, oh. Alright, let's see. So, be patient. So we have a carrot. Now this is going to a friend of his because he tore up his friend's carrot, so this isn't for him, unfortunately. Yeah. You don't listen. Then we got another. Anyway, we got some rope toys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got a little hanging rope toy. 5. And we got a little ball rope toy. So it's 6 rope toys. We got this little, is it silicone? Oh yeah, it's like a teething toy. Yeah, it's like a little teething toy. And then we got another like teething toy ball kind of thingy. And then, oh boy, I didn't know it does this, but you can also put treats in here. So I'm already knowing this is gonna be his favorite when you see the boy over here, beady eyes. And then we have a bunch of soft felt toys, which he loves these, but they are gone in 2 seconds. So I never buy them at the regular store because it'd be $10 for a little toy, like just one of these little toys, and it'd be gone in 2 seconds. So I'm really grateful I found this box thanks to my friend. And yeah, got a little, another little toy here to, you know, yeah. Okay. Oh, and it also comes with 3 poop bag tubes and a little cute little thingy. So this is a really good box for $18. To be honest, this is a really good steal. Like, Usually these two things would be $20 at PetSmart. No. And it came on the same day. It's a steal. Which toy should we give him first? I think we should give him this one. We should give him this one. Give me it. Give me it. He's definitely not gonna get all these toys at once. I'm gonna disperse. They're gonna be given to him throughout the week because he will destroy these in 2 seconds. So, thanks for my unboxing.